Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add filters to your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the new project button at the upper side of the screen and click to the plus icon at the lower left corner of the screen and just select a video from your device. New, tap to the video clip and tap to the fourth option, the filter, at the bottom of the screen, and here you can find different filters, for example Airy Babe, Christmas, BV, Hong Kong, Love, Cream, Summer, and more. And just select filter and click to the OK button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.